In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link an account on Project Sekai. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is, on any map, it doesn't matter which, access the menu at the top right corner of the screen. So as you can see these three lines over here. Over here, you should be able to locate the account transfer option. So select account transfer and immediately you should see two options, link to Google Play or transfer to different OS. As you can probably tell, I am recording this video on an Android device, so it gives me the option to link to Google Play, but this might be slightly different for you. If that's the case, make sure you go ahead and you do proper research on how to do this on your device. But for any Android device, this is the option that you're going to have, link to Google Play. Select this option and you're going to get another pop-up telling you if you want to link the current player name and rank to your Google Play account. Go ahead and confirm, and it's going to give you a prompt telling you that has been successfully linked. If you click on the icon again, it's going to give you the option to unlink. Now, with the account link, you can use the transfer to different OS function and properly secure your account if necessary. With this step done, you can close this window and resume playing as you wish. All of the data will be synced to your Google Play account. I hope I was able to help you on how to link an account on Project Sekai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.